Hello, this is Desode here. I've been looking around the web about the new dungeon extraction game, DungeonBorne, and a lot of people don't realize that on Steam it does have controller support. So this is a quick little video to show you how to enable controller support in the game. The issue is that Steam has its own controller support built into the Steam software, and that is blocking the in-game built-in controller support. So in order to fix that, you come to your Steam library, make sure that you are in there, and then you got your list on the left-hand side. You come down to where you see your Dungeonborne game. You're going to click on it once so that it's highlighted in blue, and then you're going to right-click with your mouse, and then go down to select Properties, left-click on Properties, and then you'll see this little general window open up. Come down to Controller. Now, by default, this is going to say enable Steam input or use default settings. What you want it to say is disable Steam input. All you got to do is change that to disable Steam input and then close the window down. And when you start up Dungeonborne, you'll still have to use the mouse for menus and things of that nature, but when you go into a dungeon, you will have built-in full controller support of the game so that you can attack, move, use your special abilities, and all of that with your controller. So I hope this helps a lot of you guys that didn't know that Dungeonborne had full controller support, and have a good day. Subscribe.